In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Calendar to Calendly step by step. This integration is essential because it prevents double bookings, syncs your availability in real time, and keeps your schedule fully organized. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Calendar Sync or Integration section in the Settings menu. Now click on Connect Calendar. You will see different calendar options. Select Google Calendar. Next, you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Choose the Google account you want to connect and grant Calendly permission to access your calendar. After that, you'll return to Calendly. Now select which Google Calendar you want Calendly to check for conflicts. This is very important because Calendly will block any time that already has events in your Google Calendar. You can also choose which calendar Calendly should add new scheduled events to. This helps keep all your bookings organized in one place. Once everything is set, confirm and save your settings. Now your Calendly account will automatically sync with Google Calendar in real time. Whenever someone books a meeting, it will appear instantly in your Google Calendar, and any busy times in Google Calendar will be blocked in Calendly. Before finishing, test the integration by creating a sample booking and checking if it appears correctly in your Google Calendar. And that's it! You've successfully connected Google Calendar to Calendly and set up a fully synced scheduling system. And that's how you connect Google Calendar to Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.